Hello guys, this is Paolo and this is Everybody Linux, and I'm logging into my VirtualBox to the awesome system is Linux Mint 20.3 XFCE UNA version date back to 2022. This is an amazing, awesome operating system. I love it, and I'll try to learn it, and I'll try to doing my exercise in Linux here to learn it as much as possible. And yeah, so I wanted to show you guys how it works and to change today in this video I will explain you how to change the default shell for a user. So I'm logged with VirtualBox here, but actually I want to remain logged as a root. So if let's say that I have a username called Paolo Mint, I will zoom out a little bit. I do cat etc passwd. In the previous video, as I explained, guys, passwd is the file in the system, the etc folder that gives you all the user account information. So this is the user I want to show you. And I want to change the bash shell in default. For this user, guys, as you see, the user has a sh bash shell. I want to give the sh shell. Sorry, I want to update it to have it the bash shell command line. Instead, this one has the sh, it is the basic one, and there's some limitation on this shell. The bash shell allows you to switch from one command to the other that you previously typed using the arrow key. Instead, if I now switch to this user, I will now switch to Paolo Mint. Okay, now I'm logged as a Paolo Mint, and this user unfortunately can't switch from one command to the other using for example, let's say that I want to see which is my kernel details, which are the kernel details. So I clear. Now in the memory I should have clear a new name A. Okay, and maybe let's do also ls. I am in Paolo Mint and VBox user. I'm in the home directory. Let's enter in my home. Okay, basically I type all these commands. Now if I do the arrow key, I don't have anything in my home directory, by the way. You see, if I click the arrow key, I don't have the command in the memory, so they are not displayed. I can't switch from one command to the other. Instead, I should usually do this, should be able to do this, but instead I can't. So if you can't see what I'm doing, basically I'm clicking the arrow key. This is the down arrow key. This is up. When I press up, it's A. When I press down, B. So I don't want all of this. I want instead to show me all my commands. Okay, so let's go back from here. Let's clear, and let's do this. So to change this, I can do it myself from here. So I type sch s, and then I give you the shell that I want to use. I want to give the chance this user to use it. That is the bash shell. So I want that Paolo Mint will have in default this shell. So let's do that. Okay, so for myself I change to bash. So to make it effective, I need to restart the computer. It's not necessary. I can do logout, but I always prefer to restart the PC, the computer, my Linux system. So as I say, guys, when I will have in default this shell, I will be able to have in my memory, to keep in memory all the command used and switch through one to another using the arrow key. So let's do a check now. Let's check which is my current predefined shell. At the moment I'm using the sh, but if I want to see which one is my permanent in default shell, I have to print the shell environment variable, echo shell, and it will be always sh. So let's change this and restart the computer to make effective the change through this command that I already launched and run. Okay, so I will put on all the video and we'll come back later. Okay, guys, the system restarted. Now I have my prompt. login prompt, I will log in and I will check if my bash, which shell is switched to the bash. My shell command line is switched to the bash. Okay, let's see. So the system is display desktop is showing up. So everything is being displayed one by one. Now I'm going to use the terminal and see if the shell has been changed. Finger crossed. Okay, so let's make it a little bit larger for you. So in this case, sorry, I want to soon type some command. Okay, let's do ls. I am in my directory, home directory. Okay, so I don't know. Let's sort these files, and let's take again like before which kernel I have. I am my host name. What is my host name? Okay, my current directory is this one. So okay, I made a list of commands just to see if I can use the last one will be clear otherwise. Oh, let's see if I can use the commands that I typed before. I can switch one through the other using the arrow key. Let's try, guys. But first I want to see which is my current shell. Let's see, finger crossed, bash. Amazing, I changed my shell to the bash. So in default, I will probably, if I go to cat etc passwd, that is the file that shows all the user account information, I will see that, and for this user, okay, so I will have here the bash. Perfect. Okay, so should be working, guys. So now if I do if now I will clear this, I will want to see if I have in memory all my commands. 3, 2, 1, yes. Here we go. If I use the arrow key, I will have now the chance to see all my previous commands in order of time that I typed. So basically from the oldest one that I typed from the latest one, from the most recent one. The last one was this one. So let's say that I want to type this one as well. So this will be the last one typed. Who am I? Clear, cat, etc. Okay, guys, so amazing, is it? I changed my shell to the bash shell. So now I can keep all my commands in the memory. I can see which command I typed before and all the list of the commands that I typed so far. So this is an amazing option. I really recommend you to change the shell to bash because it's the best shell that I ever used so far. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. This is Paolo, and thank you for watching. Bye.